Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and when you live in a tiny kitchen, you gotta work with the space that you got. This HORSTORS microwave cabinet has given me so much storage and workspace in my kitchen. I really needed to replace my old island with a new one, and this was the perfect solution. These were probably the most easiest instructions to follow. It is made out of high quality MDF, which is pretty much very durable engineered wood. It did not take long for it to take shape. The hinges were so well made. It came with these brass knobs, but I actually switched them out for the silver ones because it matched the look of our kitchen a little bit better. The spot for the microwave is a game changer. It was so nice to be able to just slide this in and free up more counter space. The display door was so nice. I can put all of my little coffee cup. The drawer was very roomy, even though it is a smaller drawer. And the cabinet doors can fit all of our glasses, our bottles, and most importantly, my French press. This is a perfect spot for me to make my coffee in the morning. I can grab my little milk frother, pour my French press, and get my caffeine fix for the day. It's so convenient to be able to put your stuff in the microwave, to take it out and put it on the surface just above it, and you can have that workspace. It has so much room. You can put a cutting board, electric kettle. Because our kitchen is so small, this is so convenient for allowing both me and my husband to get work done in the kitchen without being in each other's way. I just love the look, the quality, the storage, and the counter space this gave me. And that's my point of view.